Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the wonderful videos I'm dishing out on my channel, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay, if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. It is an amazing custom made indicator that helps you to analyze the market very well. Okay, and of course it helps you to have profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, so quickly let's check this out. This actually got to the support zone around there, and it started a buy trend right from there. Since it was unable to break out below the support zone, you can see the yellow flag, which signifies an uptrend, and of course the blue arrows, which gives us the buy orders. Okay, so it started buying right from there till it got to the resistance zone. Okay, if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend. So we should expect more of a selling opportunity right from there, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. That is when it's going to buy more or continue with the buy order. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and of course still on 5-minute time frame. This started a downtrend right from the resistance zone, so it kept on selling till it got to this support zone, had a little pullback, and of course going back there to try out the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Let's check out the our next asset called crash 1000. It started an uptrend from this support zone, and of course you can see the yellow flag and the blue arrows, which led to this uptrend, and of course it came to an end at this resistance zone. So it started a downtrend right from there. So this is selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now let's move on to crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it kept on selling, played around there for a while, but later on broke out below the support zone to get to a new support zone. It was unable to break out from here, so it started an uptrend. So this is buying at the moment. Okay, so we are expecting more of a buying opportunity from there than a selling opportunity. Lastly, which is going to be volatility on 5. It started a downtrend from here, came to an end at this support zone, and right from here it started an uptrend, but as you can see, the uptrend stopped at this particular resistance zone. So it is selling at the moment, but right here we also have a support zone. Okay, if it does not break out below this, then it will go back up to try out this resistance zone, but if it breaks out below this support zone, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so you should take note of that. This is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. So guys, you should take note of all that and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to your courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.